What's up everybody, it's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I'm coming to you live from Fort Collins, Colorado. I'm back here at the E-Team Hobbyplex, and tonight we're going to be running the Tiny Whoop version of the Multi-GP Global Qualifier. So that's going to be kind of fun, something different to do. By the time you guys see this video, I will already be in Arizona getting ready for the Whooptopia. So if you guys have a chance, make sure that you go to whooptopia.com. On Saturday and Sunday, they'll be streaming live, so I'll definitely be there. And then watch Facebook, possibly YouTube, and I'm definitely going to be doing some streaming and stuff like that. So keep an eye out for that. But anyway, guys, so hope you enjoy the footage, and when I get back, I'll let you know how everything went.